Now from here, the only section of the app that we haven't looked at is the trade button. So if we go ahead and click on that now, this gives us the option to either buy or sell cryptocurrencies. We're going to go ahead and click on buy, and this is going to bring up a list of hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase within the Crypto.com app. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to look at buying some Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the top menu here and type in BTC. And then we're going to click on Bitcoin here at the very top, and this brings up the order ticket window here to actually purchase Bitcoin. Now from here, you have the option to either add a payment method. So if you wanted to, for example, add a credit or debit card, you could do that here. There is usually a fee associated with this, but they often waive that fee for an initial period of time for new users, so you may want to take advantage of that. The benefit to using a credit or debit card is you can buy the crypto immediately, whereas if you deposit money from your bank account, it's going to take 1 to 5 business days. Now, if you did want to link a bank account, you would simply click here on your USD wallet. You would check the box here saying that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you would click on next. And then there may be some additional verification steps that are required here for your account, so go ahead and complete those now. Now, once you fill in that information, you'll get a confirmation that says your bank transfer account is now ready to use, and you can tap anywhere to continue. And this now set up your US dollar wallet, and you could now deposit funds from your bank account if you wanted to by simply linking that account. Now for the purpose of this, we're going to go ahead and just use Apple Pay since it's already connected. There is a $750 weekly limit, but depending on how much you're looking to purchase, that might be within what you are looking to buy. What we're going to do here is change this over to actually purchase in dollar value, and we're going to purchase $15 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm going to change that to 15, and we can see here that's going to be 0.0002585 Bitcoin. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you here as well is if you had current cryptocurrency holdings within your account, you could navigate over here to crypto, and you could swap your CRO or Ethereum or different tokens over to Bitcoin. So if you were looking to simply swap an existing crypto that you had for Bitcoin, you can do that in one transaction without having to do a sell transaction and then buying that Bitcoin with the US dollar that you get from selling. We're going to go back here again to the cash tab, and we're going to change this back to the dollar value and put in the $15 that we're looking to purchase. And then we're going to click on buy Bitcoin at the bottom. Now it mentions here there is a 0.0% fee for the card purchase. I think that's most likely because the fee is being waived initially. And then we click on the blue continue button at the bottom, and you can see here there's an order confirmation. So we're looking to buy a small amount of Bitcoin, $15 worth. There is no fee, and we're going to be using Apple Pay as our payment method. So I'm going to go ahead and click on buy with Apple Pay at the bottom, and then you're going to simply double click here to verify the transaction. For some reason, my Apple Pay wasn't working, so what I had to do is simply add my debit card as a method of payment, and then I went ahead and completed that transaction. And you can see here we have the confirmation that we just purchased 0.0002591 Bitcoin. So if we click on the X here in the top right, and now we navigate over here to accounts, you can see that we now have a $14.99 balance, seeing as the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated a little bit since we just purchased it. If we now click on the Bitcoin that's listed under our crypto wallet, this is going to bring up some different options for us. For example, if you were looking to send or receive the Bitcoin to a different wallet, you would simply click on the transfer button at the top right, and then you could either deposit by receiving Bitcoin to this address, or you could transfer it out by withdrawing it to another wallet address. So if you were looking to receive Bitcoin to this address, you would simply click on the transfer button here, and then you would click on deposit, and this is going to show you where you will bring up your Bitcoin wallet address. So you would click here and select the network from the drop-down menu, and this is going to give you your Bitcoin wallet address. You can click on the QR code if you wanted to view it, or you could simply click on the copy button and go over to another crypto exchange or wallet that you had if you were looking to send Bitcoin over to this new Crypto.com Bitcoin wallet.